In today's fiercely competitive market, Leshan Intelligent relies on its excellent performance and global services to break through in the field of technology and blow into a new era. Leshan Intelligent has advanced technical personnel from both international and domestic parties involved in R&D work, and they have laid a solid foundation for our innovation. Every link has been carefully designed and all aspects considered. Leshan Intelligent always maintains technological innovation and enhances product competitiveness to ensure that our bottle blowing machines can efficiently meet your production needs. Through continuous innovation, Leshan Intelligent is committed to improving the efficiency of the work process in every function of the clamping frame, keel frame, multiple automation functions, and profiling design modes. Pre-sealing cutter of all electric machine to achieve uniform wall thickness. The keel frame structure improves the stability of the head. The design and adjustment of the clamping frame is very important to ensure the stability and consistency of the mold and bottle during the blow molding process. One-click drainage function quickly drains the cooling water in the blow molding machine to avoid overflow of cooling water when changing modes. The opening and closing cap technology can adapt to the rapid production rhythm to ensure the smooth demolding and process requirements of special-shaped bottles. The high-speed intelligent manipulator of the bottle blowing machine automates loading and unloading to improve efficiency, precise grabbing, fast operation, adaptable to various specifications of bottles. The partial wall thickness controller and motor-driven deformation die ring adjust the gap between the material tubes to achieve different wall thicknesses. Transfer plastic to where thickening is required to improve product performance and save materials. Automated equipment production lines can achieve unmanned operations and a high degree of automation. From raw material processing to product packaging, each link has been carefully designed and optimized to reduce labor costs and reduce production risks to ensure each product meets strict standards and requirements. Hydraulic Athlon machine, fast action of carriage movement of 0.9 seconds. All-electric small cyclone with cycle of 3.5 seconds, easy to operate. All-electric Cylon machine, 3 stations, fast cooling and energy saving. All-electric Aurora machine, digital adjustment, positioning accuracy of 0.01 millimeters. Leshan Intelligent Company invested in the IT department to develop a CMO system to achieve intelligent upgrades, real-time prediction of production cycles, refined warehouse management, control of production costs, and precise control of product quality. Leshan Intelligent's experience in working with customers around the world has given us a deeper understanding of the needs and challenges of different markets. Providing customers with tailor-made solutions has enabled customers to achieve significant improvements in production efficiency. Shortening the production cycle and reducing the scrap rate brings cost savings and competitive advantages. Leshan Intelligent cooperates with sales and service points around the world to provide customers with excellent after-sales support. No matter where you are, our professional team will provide you with technical support and maintenance services in a timely manner and efficient manner to ensure that your production line is always running normally. Customers only need to scan the QR code to report faults for repair, and Leshan Intelligent Company will handle the problems remotely as soon as possible to ensure that customers can get back to production in the shortest time. Through continuous R&D and technological innovation, we will provide customers with more innovative products and solutions to meet changing market needs. We will continue to be committed to promoting the development of the industry and creating more value and achievements for society. break through technical field and blow in new era.